So, thank you for clicking. We are doing something different today, and for the next little while, where I'm taking a celebrity like I normally do, such as Droopy Dog, and then we're taking the cookie, of course, because that's our starting point, our material. Man, they're sticky. Must have been a hot day in Beijing. All right, hopefully I can read this. Yeah, I have to piece this together. Okay, so Droopy Dog combined with my assistant.
A New Yorker.
If Droopy Dog was a New Yorker.
Happiness measures a person's real worth. Happiness? Hey, you listening? Come on. Happiness measures a person's real worth. Obviously, for crying out loud. Actually, this is a pretty great character. If you saw a cartoon character that had this voice, he could do a lot worse. Maybe it wouldn't be a dog. Maybe be a little fire hydrant or something. Something relatively related to a dog, but still different.
There you go. That's a good sound, good creation, and nothing measures a person's happiness. Happiness measures a person's real worth. Yeah, I guess so. If you're happy, unless you're a psychotic. But if people are happy that you lived and are alive, and if you're happy that you've been able to, contribute to the world in some way and achieve your goals, then that is probably closer to your true worth than, say, your bank account or how many likes you get. However, saying that, please like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow on Celebrity Fortune Cookie. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button below and share it. Tell your friends. I really appreciate it.
I think it's one of the great things of the modern world that we can convey these thoughts to one another. So don't hold back.